Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate the calculator so that we can calculate probabilities for binomial distributions. An example problem would be number 4. The brand name of a certain chain of coffee shops has a 54% recognition rate in the town of Coffleton. An executive from the company wants to verify their recognition rate as the company is interested in opening a coffee shop in the town. He selects a random sample of 10 Coffleton residents, and we want to find the probability that exactly 4 of the 10 Coffleton residents recognizes the brand name. This is a binomial distribution. Either those residents are going to recognize the brand name or they are not. There are 3 other requirements to be a binomial distribution, and I will let you research that on your own. But for this problem, this is a binomial distribution, so we're going to use the calculator to calculate the probability that exactly 4 of those 10 will recognize this brand name. To do that, what we're going to do is use the second and then the distribution feature, which is under the variables button, and we will scroll down to binom PDF, not CDF, binom PDF. On my calculator, on the new operating system, this is labeled under the A. I believe, I may be wrong, but I believe it might be 0 for some of the older operating systems, but for the new operating system, this is A. So I'm going to hit binom PDF. Because I have the new operating system, it asks me specifically, what are the trials? Well, there are 10 trials. We're choosing 10 people. For p, little p, which is the probability of success, it was stated to us that we can see over here that the probability of the person is going to recognize that brand name is 54%, and we are wanting to calculate this for exactly 4 people. So if I hit paste, this is exactly what will show up in the old operating systems. And so if you do have an old operating system, you will need to enter the number of trials that we are dealing with, comma, the probability of success, and then comma, the number of successes that you would like to deal with, which for our problem is 4. If I hit enter, it'll tell us that out of 10 people, we have a 0.169 or a 16.9% probability that exactly 4 of those individuals will recognize our brand name. I want to point out, this is something a little extra. I'm sorry, I'm writing something down here. 0.169, I'm writing this down. If we wanted to create the complete probability distribution table at this moment, we could hit second enter, and we could go back here and change this to say 3, because it's possible that only 3 people recognize it. It's possible that only 2 people recognized it. And so we could fill out the complete probability distribution table for this scenario. So instead of asking for the probability of exactly 4, I could ask for the probability of exactly, say, 6 or 7 or 8. And if I had the complete probability distribution table, I could then calculate the probabilities of, say, what's the probability of 4 or less, or 6 or more. And I would need the complete probability distribution table. I hope this helps you calculate the probabilities for a binomial distribution, and good luck on all future tests.